Hi, this is Tyler Mitchell with CP Digital Solutions. Today we're going to look at an automated document capture tool that leverages AI to process documents faster than ever. In the not too distant past, we would have to train software by drawing templates on documents to point to exactly where we needed to extract data. By using AI, we can skip that process because the software is sophisticated enough to identify what needs to be extracted almost entirely on its own. So I'll show you what I mean by using the capture tool Vantage, and we're going to be focusing on invoices as a document type. This is one of the document types that Vantage is very good at identifying, so we typically don't have to build any rules because they're built into Vantage, and the engine is smart enough to know where to look. So you can see these boxes here. They correlate to metadata. So vendor name is one of those metadata fields. The invoice date, the invoice number. So all of this gets automatically extracted, whereas before you needed to build these templates by drawing boxes around what you needed. So I'm going to show this in real time. I'm going to upload a document into here. We'll take a look at this invoice. And Vantage has never seen this invoice before. We don't have any templates or anything like that. We're going to see how it does in identifying it as an invoice and capturing invoice data off of it. So here we see in just seconds it processes this document. And sure enough, we're looking at invoice data because it identified it as an invoice. And we have the invoice number was correctly identified, the invoice date, the total, the vendor, everything is correctly identified, and we don't have to do anything here. And ideally, as a user, you're not looking at this at all. You're really only looking at this if you need to move one of these boxes because Vantage flagged it due to low confidence. But for the most part, when these documents are clear like this one, it can do all of that on its own for specific document types such as invoices. So this is a very powerful tool in that you can get the extraction of data off of your documents, so you can put them in a digital workflow and get them approved digitally. Or if you just want to remove manual labor of having people looking at documents and typing that information somewhere else, we can just use this tool to extract that information and output it somewhere else. And using AI, we don't have to train the software nearly as much as we used to. So if this is something you're interested in, feel free to reach out to myself directly, or if you have a account manager here at CP Digital, feel free to reach out to them as well. Thank you.